Galaxy M11. As you can see that this is a very basic box with not much information on the surface. So we will not waste any more time and open this up. The first thing you will see once you open the box is another box with the Samsung logo on top. Let's take a quick look inside. So we have literature basically, the warranty card and the regional lock guide. Let's put them back and to the side for now. Of course, right underneath the box is the handset itself. This is the Samsung Galaxy M11. The current variant is in black. Let's quickly remove the protective wrap. Now you can have a better look. You will notice the triple camera setup at the back. We're going to turn this on and put it on one side. Going back to the box, we have a white Samsung travel adapter, a pretty standard adapter from Samsung, and we also have a white USB-C type charging cable. Lastly, there's an ejection pin attached to the bottom of the box. And that's all you will find inside the Samsung Galaxy M11 box. Thank you for watching.